Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine color updated. Begin by selecting grape skins based on pigment intensity and desired style, then set maceration time and temperature to gently extract color. Use regular tasting to decide when to press, and consider small additions of tannin management to stabilize hue. Finally, taste blends to refine the final shade and keep notes for future batches, keeping adjustments subtle and intentional. Choose techniques that match your target wine color, starting with a cold soak to draw early pigments without heavy tannins, then monitor progress closely. If you want a deeper shade, extend maceration carefully while tasting for balance. Use gentle pumping over or punch downs to keep extraction even and avoid crushing seeds. Always adjust temperature and timing rather than adding aggressive chemical fixes, so the wine stays natural and food-friendly. If color drifts toward brown or brick tones, assess oxygen exposure and consider shortening maceration on future batches, then protect current wine with gentle sulfite adjustments. For pale results, evaluate grape selection and maceration length. Blending with a more pigmented batch can rescue color without overpowering flavor. When needed, tweak oak contact time or use light filtration to clean up appearance, but avoid heavy treatments that mask varietal character.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.